Now at 6, we're going in depth to give you a different view of what happens after a wildfire sweeps through a community.
The Telegraph fire this past summer was one of the largest in state history. ABC 15 reporter Nicole Grigg taking us to one of the highest points of where that fire burned this past summer we have never seen before.
And that fire hit this house around midnight.
After a wildfire is contained, people like Brenda Blaine feel they're left on their own.
So many memories, it's where we spend every summer.
Her family's cabin for 4 decades was more than 4 walls.
That was the hot water heater.
It was a place of memories in what she had left of her mother, Joyce, who passed away in 2015 after a battle with Alzheimer's.
This was my second home. But I feel like I lost her when she was diagnosed with Alzheimer's, lost her when she died, and this felt like the third time. It's like, why is this happening again?
Brenda still left with so many questions on how exactly her cabin burned down. She was told back in June by the Forest Service that a backfire was lit around her cabin.
I asked what day it happened, and they said, well, we're not sure. You know, they did the back burn, they left it on fire, and when they came back the next morning, it was gone.
State lawmakers want to ask the Forest Service about backburns. An ad hoc committee about wildfires and floods taking place in Globe on Tuesday to see if state laws and regulations need to change. State leaders also looking at how there's little help for victims.
It was devastating. It was pretty heartbreaking for us because we had fallen in love with this area for the beauty of it.
They're finding gaps in what insurance will cover and now left to worry about flash flooding.
There's no plants to hold up the hillsides. There's no roots to drink up the water. There's no leaf debris to soak it up. There's nothing.
Long-term impacts like eroding properties is another topic lawmakers want to explore to help communities. But for Terry, there's still hope here.
The one thing the fire didn't take is the sky. So at night we can look up and see the Milky Way.
Reporting in Gila County, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.